Hello there, ready to place your order on aliveprintshop.com? We're here to guide you through the process. Let's jump in and make it happen. Step 1. Choose your items. To start, head over to the Shop tab and explore our selection. Find the products that catch your eye and suit your needs. Step 2. Getting started. Once you've found what you're looking for, simply click the Place an Order button. This will lead you to our design studio where you can add your personal touch. Step 3. Customization time. Selecting colors. Begin by choosing the color for your items. Consider how your design will look on this backdrop. Sizing and quantity. Let us know the sizes and quantities you require. Adding your design. Have a design to share. Use the Add Design feature. We support various file types for your convenience. Design placement. Move your design around and resize it until it fits just right. Keep an eye on the quality meter. It'll let you know if adjustments are needed for a clear outcome. Checking details. Click on your design to make subtle tweaks to colors and other elements. Experiment with the color swatches to customize your design further. In the Proportion and Size menu, you can make precise adjustments for positioning, size, and orientation. Head to the size listing and make it perfect. Now let's make sure to add your order to the cart. Click the Add to Cart button near the top of the Design Studio. A pop-up will appear confirming your order. Click Checkout to continue to the website, check out, and finish placing your order. Now you're an expert on placing an order on a live print shop. Take a moment to review your selections before you finalize the order. Thanks for choosing us for your customization needs. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.